Guys, now make some stew peas and we're going to try out for the smoked turkey neck this time. So we're going to scald the turkey neck and the pigtail together. So I boil off the salt off of the pigtail, but I boil the turkey neck also. So I make this boil for maybe like 20 minutes and then we come back. Alright, so this I boiled for roughly half an hour. I taste the water and it wasn't salt, so I'm not going to boil it again. But you can go ahead and boil it twice. So I'm just going to pour off this and then we come back. Alright, so I'm going to pour off the water. Woo! And then we're going to rinse it out. So just going to rinse off this. Alright, we'll wipe off the spoon. So just rinse off the meat properly and then we're going to add it back to the pot. Alright, so now we're going to add that meat to the pot along with some red kidney beans. We're going with 4 cloves of garlic crush. I'm also going in with some crushed pimento seeds. These are about 15 pimento seeds. Then we're going in with some boiling water just to cover the meat and the peas. So just enough to cover the meat and the peas. So guys, you can cook this on the stove top or you can cook it in a pressure pot until the peas and the meat get tender. Okay guys, let's go in and check on our meat and peas to see if they cook. Alright, so as you can see, the meat them are mush up, and you can use a fork. Alright, let me show you. Alright, so you can use a fork to test the peas to see if it cook. Right, so the peas them cook and the meat them cook. So now we're going to season up the pot. We're going to add some scallion and thyme to the pot. We're going to add a scotch bonnet pepper to the pot. I don't use coconut milk, so I'm going to add butter. I'm also going in with some white pepper. If you do have white pepper, use black pepper if that's what you have available. I'm going to add a little Maggi jerk, just a little bit. Now I'm going to just, because the meat them soft, I don't want to jerk the pot too much, but you can stir the pot just to combine everything. Sink your scallion and thyme. You can also cut up the scallion and thyme, guys. Right? Cover the pot and let it. Not the wrong pot cover this, but cover your pot and let it cook. Alright, we are going again. We'll put in the spinners. So the spinners are dumpling. We'll put them in the pot. That's how we have to rub them together. And stretch them. Drop them. So we'll put them together. Stretch them. And drop them. So I'm going to do a couple of these. do 2 big dumplings too, because my daughter always like it in the stew peas. So I'll do that. So I do a couple of these off camera, and then we'll come back. So I'm done rub. I'm gonna make dumpling now. So I make 4 dumplings. For the people who always are about nails and dumpling, look, my nails don't make the dumpling. My nails doesn't make the dumpling. Okay? So I'm gonna stop stress and worry. And remember too, I'm not cook for one, I cook for me and my family. And I never get a complaint, so I'm just showing you what I do. I'm not offering you any food. I'm not telling you, oh, come and eat my food. No, I'm just sharing the little that I do now with you guys. So alright. And because we know how my meat mash up, you know, I'm gonna use my spatula to kinda move them around. Alright, so just I make this go down. You can leave it uncovered if you like. You can cover it up and make it thick up. You know what, I'm gonna taste it first before I lock the pot. Alright, I'm gonna taste it first before to see if we need to adjust anything. Make it go down first. I kind of did think I gotta add a little more salt to it, but I make it go down first. When it go down, then we figure out if you really need any salt. Alright, so I cover this and allow it to thicken, and then we come back. Guys, let's check the pot. Ooh. This looks good. See, you like a dry out. Okay, not too bad. Now I'm gonna share now.